Well, I don't know about you, but I am over summer. Especially in August, I begin to think about rebooting my entire life for fall. The garden, my interiors, and yes, my wardrobe. I've been cleaning out my closet, I've been getting rid of a lot of things, and I am bringing in a very highly curated select few things that will be investment pieces that are sustainable and that will really enhance and elevate my wardrobe. So enter Lily Silk. You guys know that I am a big fan of their products, of their bedding, of their attire, their lingerie. All of their products are just so top-notch, really go-to for anything in silk. So today I thought it would be kind of fun if I take some of those pieces and I style them and show how easily they can segue from summer and into my fall reboot wardrobe program. Well, I'm a gal who loves sky blue, and I'm ready to get out of this t-shirt and get into something that's a little bit more high-end and elegant looking. And I think this scoop collar top will be just the thing. It will, as I said, it will transition just beautifully from summer into fall. It will make a great layering piece, but oh my goodness, it just feels divine. Just the feel of silk against your skin is, well, it's just a little luxury, and I am ready for some little luxuries as I go into fall. So now let's start this first outfit starring this beautiful top. Well, outfit number one is a perfect example of that transitioning from summer into fall in the color, which is this beautiful sky blue, and I love the contrast of it with these kind of brown wool pants. One is light and airy, and the other is a little bit more autumnal. One is feminine, and the other has more of a masculine vibe to it. And then I love adding just a punch of sparkle in my belt, in my watch, oversized watch, and in my earrings. And it just, I think, really works together, pulled together with some booties. Now, this outfit would be fine for late August and early September because I'm still cool. I wouldn't overheat when I go out, restaurants and such. But if I want to later in the season to warm myself up, wear a blazer or a sweater, well, let me just tell you that a thin silk underlayer like this top is just perfect. I don't have any additional bulkiness. I don't have the discomfort of that, and I think it looks really elevated, really elegant, and that kind of high-end look I think we're trying to get. Plus, this is an investment piece, so I want it to be able to segue easily from summer into fall. Well, my second outfit is going to be inspired by this quintessentially summer striped sleeveless spun silk top. I love the way it's cropped. I love how it just looks kind of old money and very, very effortless, but it feels just luxurious. I love the button detail at the shoulder, and yes, I could wear it with these pants in fall. I could wear it with shorts, but let me show you a more fun outfit that I've planned, highlighting this gorgeous sweater. Well, I have to say I'm a little bit obsessed with outfit number two. And by the way, at the end, make sure to tell me which outfit was your favorite and which one of these Lily Silk pieces you would most want to have in your closet. Now, this too is kind of a study in tensions. I've got the tension between this really classic, almost look like Summer in the Hamptons top, which by the way is at the perfect length. I don't have to tuck it in, but it doesn't look too blousy and too billowy without tucking it in. Against the tension of something that's kind of trendy. These pleather, oh, I don't really know what to call them, kind of a gaucho look. It reminds me of Barbara Stanwyck in Big Valley. I'm really dating myself, but I love that look. And then also the high-end look of my very beaten up but very beloved leather boots that I've had forever. So I love the tension between the kind of, oh, I don't know, kind of classic and then kind of the rustic, the trendy against the tried and true. So I think this is a really fun outfit. I think it works because number one, it is eminently comfortable, but it still looks kind of dressy. I definitely can see myself wearing this to garden tours, out for a beer in the evening. And if I get a little bit chilly, I can always throw a wrap. But this top would throw a wrap around my shoulders. But this top would look equally as good with white jeans, with black jeans, with a white skirt. So I think it's just a piece that feels so luxurious. It looks so, so expensive. And I think it is perfect to help me reboot my wardrobe for fall. And now for my next piece, which was the very first thing that I put into my Lily Silk basket because it is just so classic, but the stripes make it very, very au courant and kind of trendy right now. I love all of the details on it. I love the cuffs, the buttons. I love everything about it. And I also love the way that stripes are kind of a neutral, I think, and they will go great with not only the bottoms that I have on right now, but in the outfit I'm going to show you next. Well, if stripes are a neutral, so is a pop of red. And I think that this white, navy, and red combo with this wonderful, very classic stripe is quintessentially summer. But then when you add a khaki blazer to it or a camel blazer to it, I think it really helps it transition into fall. Now, as I said before, I'm going to say it again. There is nothing like silk to have as the bottom primary layer of anything that you're putting together for comfort, for luxury, for just a great feel, no itchiness, no nothing. And I just love the way it doesn't feel too bulky. It doesn't feel like you're trying too hard when you layer things. Here with these white pants with a flare leg, it's kind of retro, it's kind of 70s, but I think I really, really like it. I could just switch out my jeans to another color to go into fall, but right now I think it's just perfect and I may have to go out to dinner. Well, I think if there's any one top you should have in your closet, it would be a beautiful ivory silk top. I love the fact that it's got this kind of ruching at the bottom, which would be beautiful tucked in, but also left untucked. It's got great, great drapes, draping to it. This would look great under any kind of blazer, any kind of sweater, or just elegant in and of itself. Well, if I was going to entitle this ensemble, I would declare it elegant and fun, because I definitely think it fits into both of those categories. It's fresh for summer, but it's also got a certain kind of luxury weightiness for fall. I've got this wonderful Lily Silk draped, beautifully draped, I might add, blouse with these wonderful cuffs. I've got them folded up. But I also like that kind of little girl feel sometimes of when you just have really, really long sleeves on. Is that kind of a funny thing, Leah? I'm not really sure. But I love the fact that this is just, talk about staples. This is probably one of the most indispensable things that I think you need to have in your closet. So today I've got it paired with some pleather breeches I got not too long ago. And by the way, this outfit is so comfortable. I can't begin to tell you just how comfy it is. Now, when it was 110 out, I don't know that I would have worn these pants, but as it goes into fall, I think they'll really just be perfect. And kind of an unexpected color for some bottoms that, usually we think about people wanting to wear figure slimming blacks or browns or a darker color, but I really like this very, very light tawny pink color, and I think it looks beautiful with a cream top. And then I've got on just some fun spotted leopard shoes. And then to kind of just bring it all again and really up the fun factor, this pop of green that would look great in spring, but I think it also really speaks to fall. I've got just a scarf tied around my neck. If I got overheated, I could easily take this off if I'm more on the summer side of the calendar than the fall side of the calendar. But I really think it works because it is fun, it is punchy, and most importantly, I think it looks kind of elegant. Well, I feel so confident speaking to you about Lily Silk products, and I think the reason why is summed up on a tag that they include on every piece. We want to inspire people to live a better life and a more sustainable lifestyle. Our care for one another and the planet is what drives us. And the sustainability factor, I think, is driven by the fact that Lily Silk products are of such high quality. They're really long-lasting investment items over a quantity of just disposable fashion. They're timeless classic pieces, and they can be styled, as I think I've just demonstrated, in so many different ways. So Lily Silk, I am happy to report, is having an anniversary sale right now this month. Don't miss out on the big sale on their website, and use coupon code Linda for an extra 12% off site-wide. A great opportunity to stock up on some of these staples for your wardrobe right now.